This is the music of Plymouth Classic Boat Rally 2016. I thank you all.
She says a woman wants a caring man, someone who listens and who understands, okay. He said, be that man for you. She says a woman needs to feel secure, know she's the love and respected too, okay. He said, don't treat her right, 'cause everything about you seems right to me. Love makes my life so complete. The sound of your voice, the sound of your voice thrills me. Whoa, 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 whoa. Friends, do I need to know? The love of you, my heart goes to the sound of your beat. She says a woman wants to feel involved, know her opinions value when she talks, okay. He said, baby, I'm on it. She says a woman wants to really feel she's the only girl in the whole wide world, okay. He said, what the girls decide, 'cause we're compatible. You sit in my pocket's only natural. To wanna keep it close by my side. My take the light. Whoa, 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 whoa. Things that I need to know. The love I for you, my heart skips to the sound of your beat. Whoa, 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 like no one I've ever known. Only every you speak, still my heart skips to the sound of your beat. Siri, do you love me? Then I love you. All the pirates, yes, they rob I, sold I to the merchant ships. Minutes after they took I from the bottomless pit, but my aim was made strong by the hand of the Almighty. We forward in this generation triumphantly, or to help to sing these songs of freedom is all I ever had. Redemption song, redemption song. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our mind. Have no fear for atomic energy, 'cause none of them can stop the time. And don't shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look. Some say it's just step out of it. We've got to fulfill the rule. Won't you help to sing these songs of freedom? That's all I ever had. Redemption song, redemption song. Yourself from mental slavery. Number ourselves to free our minds. Whoa, have no fear for atomic energy, 'cause none of them are gonna stop at a time. How long shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look? Yes, some say it's just a part of it. We've got to fulfill the book. Won't you help to sing these songs of freedom? 'Cause all I ever had. Redemption song. 'Cause all I ever had. Redemption song. These songs of freedom. Songs of freedom. Right, it's our last song. We're going to do a cover of Valerie by Amy Winehouse, the Zootons, whoever you choose. If you feel like you want to join in on this one, I want to hear the whole side of you joining in, clapping, singing, whatever you want to do. Don't choke on your boat. Sometimes I go out by myself and I look across the water, and I think of all the things what you do, and in my head I paint a picture. Since I've come home, well, my father's been a man, and it's just ginger hair and the way you like to dress. Making a fool out of me. Why don't you come on over, Valerie? Valerie. Did you have to go to jail? Put your house up for sale? Did you get a good boy? Hope you didn't get to town. Hope you find the right man who will fix it for you. Are you shopping anywhere? Change the color of your hair. Are you still busy? Did you have to pay the fine? You were dodging all the time. Are you still dizzy? Sometimes I go out by myself and I look across the water, and I think about what to do. In my head I paint a picture. Since I've come along, well, my body's beating, and I'm just a ginger hair, and the way you like to dress. Stop looking me. Stop making a fool out of me, yeah. Why don't you come on over, Valerie? Valerie, yeah. Valerie, yeah.
Thanks to the music makers. Also thanks to the Plymouth Classic Boat organisers. This has been a Chris Summerfield Media Production 2016. You can contact me through ccs2012@hotmail.com, and also, if you can help me, sponsor me through christophersummerfield@gmail.com. That's on PayPal.